Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Say, Omampeni, say, when to men's good for Sikaya, won't mean 7 ne second term, you won't mean 7 we. And yet, I see national security operatives for crack watching. I who in social media also supposed to be who fix it. I 1 year new honum say next time Shadia we pin who in your kaka wing. Any coin on fast on we omnium. And opinion Yamaliba a din come on me busano cassette. We know yes, a clamp down on free speech. Niama be saying no yes or not say oh come out for.
I totally disagree. There's a difference. Me, my own was just about whistleblowing on corruption, which borders on the nation state. The second one was about, I think, something to do with corruption. The same thing, and I'm a candidate before. The then sitting president, and it was corruption and some money with evidence. Almost even by evidence, the police headquarters. So kaya. And they are different from Sokosia Boaji to Mr. Kane, who was Yawaji, Kane now. With the man who to Masu. Because he may be threatening, let alone any individual. And you go to the extent of threatening the sitting president of the Republic of Ghana. Hey, but see, I have some Cassia Papa.
I mean, what as a more kind of what
Because he made my because he, irrespective of how you can never defend this. The president, big Ghanaian Fukuma. Because now maybe catch also big Ghanaian Fukuma. Who knew the import of that thing? President. Who knew the men's gold that same by? It's got nothing to do with government or the president. You know it. Some me tell you. Me ukumasimena na kachire me say. Ejuma your friend say festika bejistika. Me nyibida. Ah, kwasi. Na obi akotna ba bi say. Ah, o de stika ba o be bo hu no ama hu si hu te.
Ba fesika bejistika nya ni nyina na enyo.
Me ba o kwasi me de me nim no.
No, but amanfo tie radio no kofi wunim. Because inti me koto treasury bill Ghana Bank of Ghana fesika bejisika fesika bejisika oh kofi no we nye chechem unim se ukoto sika odi sika koma odi to treasury bill no amode amama wo emfaso sika na odi kwaji sika
no banking transaction it is legally binding
there now the call there now the call nye sika
asema make on jaze
nye sika dabi ni krakra ne sen nye sika na odi call kofi
asema na make kwasi asema make wu tie ni a obeti ya make na o
yes me see sani o sika no enye fesika besi sika ni nyina na enye ni enye no akire mu na etiefo na tiase
nye make cho say transaction a course or men's gold it is not legally binding obi silver bi no so discover na willingly wako now discover wako to on your friend is 2017 daily guide daily graphic front page somewhere February go and check. Bank of Ghana came out to tell customers of your friend is men's gold to say transaction amu yene hu munyai kwasi wow na you go for interview Ghana say almost say men's gold customers say wa banya omo life omo your transaction. This is a intimidation to get people off their jobs and get them away.
And yeah, okay, the daily statement damenimu ha baako da say don't invest in Chai Century in View.
Exactly.
SEC cautions public. I say
exactly.
Investment for be about man for you sika koshim.
But see the same thing happened. Me Kaipa who interview will be on station. I remember. I was driving to Kumasi. Early morning on no panel. You were discussing this. Now, I live in England. The Kai Building Society. We are only a friend of Longpoy. And no, then the interest will be a lot of people were putting their money there. No, they illegal. They went into recession and people lost their money. But people were paid and their monies were given to them. There's no legal no my best soon a bit matna ISRDM. Sadio when you now cause Ghana man for up on one room sika. The justification is that people go around telling the I'm buying no and Chiesicanoa. And in front of it, my work as I say, we are buying the whole transaction. Who do you think I got to?
Hey,
Busa and Bray Diachi.
Kobi, Wadarma near Chief Wadarma. Ti ade we mam na membusa se nti we no obi ka sen a eno ne asuma NI before yi ne enkwatwe omutie.
Thank you very much on Men's Gold. The mo be kan bia ni on madu obi asika be ma no.
Oh, scan there ever.
Ebe ba ho.
Na Ghana na do be dwane on we ni 4 years. I'm telling you, you no go finish in 4 years. Listen, my point is that me nipo you first see UTV. Who see UTV?
What threatening president?
Just shut up. That's none of your business.
Who tell me to shut up?
No, you say I'm telling you. Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said it.
Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said the president cannot finish his 4 years. Is that right?
So what? I'm going to shoot the president or kill the president. What do you mean?
The things you are saying, I'll be called as a witness.
No, nobody will call you as a witness.
I am Bulldog. Thank you very much. Let's move on. Moving
on. We no so far so say yes my NI before no kwachi no won.
Why the cancer then we need to call cancer but then if I know what go do bao. Hey. Oh what go do bao.
Asema Bulldog kind na so ni mo pa ko kind.
Na Dabi is he a rebel leader or a commander or the what came into him for him to say that?
Into GD to obetimi ayi bibi pa.
President no be Ghana.
Wo obetimi ayi bibi pa.
Want to be in the 4 years. Do you know what that means? Because and say so kra. And say media no kwa so. Sitting president of the Republic of Ghana, commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Obe Ghana. Because me can say mo but that's mo be drink can be job yada.
Kofi.
That's a way.
Kofi.
Because go and check the records. Say president be Ghana in emu pa wo koma. Because he doesn't know okay. Hey we there. Now we be na now you go kai say my example. Another example. We nearly escaped. And no, it was your station. Who station was? Na ya kesi program. Okabrani kaya obisa kabrani. And I mean aya aduma ko be fini your friend is kwakubuai eba program. Na ila metepe ukindi. Asema me kan say for the fact say omotima allow ma security operatives ama ababa wanetuma baba fa BBIP no. A church security agency are buying in book. A buying has got something to do with it. Yet studio hosts are almost smart. Almost push just almost acting like BNI officials. Nyame kwa Kenya Abeku Santana ni Miki Dale ni yede omo I come on idea what. Now you love it to cocaine deal to allow a security flaw. The best station in the capital. You understand? Now for somebody, any jurisdiction, now they work by the Ghana, by the Wafanku. Now Uganda, Bobby Wine. What is happening to him? Bobby Wine in Uganda.
And today in Uganda, they are being back.
Yeah, some county, they make an say. Ghana, your democracy. Because no, you'll be anyway. So be an eye before. Yeah, question. We do you check custody? Yeah, question. Investigation no more. So dear, agreeing who team I will say, President Big Ghana, Commander the first gentleman of the law Big Ghana. Don't mean in the 4 years. Check the entire.
Investigation about Quatraquania, the Adokudo,
maybe the America. Maybe the America. Maybe can't say or no, don't put words in my mouth. Or no, the minimum Akusi or and I may be minimum. I don't even know with the all kind of videos circulating. I don't know. You understand? In the Asama American say, because for anybody who prefer legal respect, now they fair opinion you come. Now Busano say, Kasa, when you are communicating You have to listen to yourself before you communicate. If you communicate without leaving gaps for people to understand what you're saying, in the end, it can land you into trouble. What do you make an idea? And so say a sitting president of Ghana won't mean within 4 years term. Nah.
And you the officer would this say NI before you
I said that's their job. The security agents, that's their job. They are there to protect the. They wouldn't say, we could have also planned the nation into a form of a partial insecurity. Because they say, NPP full soldiers, so sorry, they are going after him. And at the end of this.
I see.
Because, now, no, my example. Nano Uber Kaiser UTV Obi office of the president most of cassette here Father Dixon. So Obekai. Okay, I want you to
need to Charles.
You saw the spontaneous reaction of the UTV and the PCFM name Munkopono. Reaction. That is what I'm talking about. Obi Abo Bra Sebi Oye highly respected person in society. So Kasana you have to be very careful because the supporters will not let alone the sitting president of the Republic. We have Father Dixon and Brown Abo Ghana. Now you see the spontaneous reaction. And President Ochoa, ordinary person, let's assume class one year president. I go for the brow about Ghana. Sebi Prebiasa. Ghana Sika, you do a branch no, because Anthem. Or you Sika when you go to Ghana City, no, or Shaswa. A good for the bush for me and son of Mutidafo. Ne papa, no fa, and anana. Send people when you packet one, you have to know how to talk. Over 2 decades, this man has charted a course in Ghanaian political history. He had drawn from the early 60s to 2021, 2025. Akufo-Addo's name will forever remain an indelible mark in the minds of every Ghanaian.
Okay. All right.
It is a kind of one thing be said. You need to be very circumspect in what you say. It is very important.
Needs FM.